All right, check it out. Whatever you do, don't buy these remotes. These things are junk. They just are. Had a bad neutral safety switch. Went right here. Then had a bad ignition switch. I'm working on this. I wired him up an ignition switch. And just sitting there letting it run. We're going to mount it over here. You know, this is the fan boat. It's got a fan motor up there. We're gonna mount it up here with the kill switch. He's getting a remote that's concealed. And then the wires, the throttle and shift cable will go down. And it'll go under the floorboard here. And then it'll come back out, you know, out here. Yeah, this is a 1991. 40 horsepower, runs pretty good. I mean, that water is still cold. And I've had it running for about 15 minutes. So it'll take a while for that water to heat up. So I don't know, I might shut her off, but at least it's running good now. And part of the ball game is over. The other part will just be mounting this new remote here, and then he'll have it, you know, on the right side, not the left side, because he's not left-handed, so I don't know why he did that. But then you have it on this side with your trim switch. The other thing on this motor, like on the harness, they didn't have a fuse. So I put an inline fuse between this hot line that goes up to the switch, because really you should have that. Because say it spikes over 20 amps, then it'll blow that fuse and it won't you know, take out other stuff. So for now, this is what I'm kind of up to. And thanks for watching, subscribing, liking the videos. Please share it. I don't know what else to say, man. Just stay warm, I guess. But yeah, this little switch, I always like to put a little bit of electrical tape around it, just even if it's underneath the dash. But yeah, starts right back up. Perfect.